Finally, we are done with branching. Generally, the flow of any program is in a sequence. Compiler executes program from top to bottom, but in some situation it becomes necessary to make decision and change the flow of the program according to the condition. In today's lesson, we are talking about looping in Java. Looping are used to execute a set of statements repeatedly until a particular condition is satisfied. We have three types of looping in Java: while, do or do while, and for. For loop is further classified into simple for each. Let's talk about while loop first. While statement is an entry control loop statement. It means it will check a condition first, then inside block will execute. Look at syntax. While condition, if condition true, then inside block will print and increment decrement will happen, and then again it will check condition. If condition true, then again it will print the block and increment decrement will happen, and so on till the condition false. When the condition false, then outside block will print. Flowchart for while loop statement. Condition. If the condition true, statement and increment decrement will happen, then again it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then statement and increment decrement will happen. If the condition false, then outside block will print. Example for while loop statement. Consider to print the Fibonacci series.
Let's open editor. So write class, give name for example Fibo. Let's save file first. Demo directory, name same as a class name, Fibo.java. Public static void main string. Let's create variables. Integer, max, assign value, for example 4, and next variable previous, assign value 0, next, assign value 1. Let's have another variable sum. Let's print system.out.println the Fibo previous So let's start while loop. While next less than equal max, then inside block system dot out dot println next sum equal to previous plus next previous equal to next equal to sum. So let's review the code class Fibo. So we have 4 variable, max assign value 4 and previous value 0 and next 1. So we have another variable sum. So first it will print the Fibonacci series message with the previous, which is 0. It will print 0. So then the while loop will check next to max. So next is 1 and max is 4. So next is less than 4. Then it condition is true. It will print the system will print the next value, which is 1. So it will print 1. So then previous which is 0 and next is 1. 0 plus next 0 plus 1 is 1. Then it will store in some variable. So then next is 1 and previous is 0. The 1 will store in previous variable, and here we stored 1, which is sum. So 1 will store in next variable. So now next is 1 and sum is 1, and also previous is also 1. So it will again print 1. So again it will check. Next is 1. 1 is less than 4. So again it will come print the 1. Then sum equal to previous is 1 and the next is here 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and the next is 1. The previous will be 1, and the next is will assign the value from sum, which is 2. So it will print 2. So 2 is less than max. 2 is less than max. So condition is true. 2 will first print and then it will perform the operation. So previous is 1, which is before here. Next was 1, which we store, and next is 2. So 1 plus next is 3. So sum is 3 and next is 2. So previous will be 2 and next will be 3. So then again the 3 is less than 4. So it will print the first the 3 which we had before, and then 2 plus 3 will 5, and 3 will store in previous and next will 5. So again it will check. 5 is less than equal to max. The condition false because it is 4. So the controller will come out of loop. So let's save the program. Open the directory. Shift key and keyboard, right click, open command window here. So let's compile Java C Fibo.java. We don't have any error. We got class file. Let's execute Java Fibo. So first we got 0, and then 1, 1, and 2 and 3. So it's called Fibonacci series. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3, and 2 plus 3 is 5. We didn't get the 5 because we stored the 5 and the condition was not true, so because of that it didn't print. The controller do not come to inside the loop. So if you have the value 20, so let's compile again, and 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 8 is 13. So it's called as a Fibonacci series. So we made program same like this. 1 plus 1 equal to 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, like so on. For Fibonacci series, this is the logic. We have this logic to print Fibonacci series. Thank you for watching this video.